Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over a mixture between Godzilla and Shadow the Hedgehog drawn as one character. So let's go through it right now. Okay, let's go over how to draw a mixture of Godzilla and Shadow the Hedgehog. So let us do it. Let's do it. It's going to be mostly like upper body, so let's do it. So right here, we're going to draw a line outward, kind of for that snout of Godzilla we want. Over here now, the edge downward for the front of that snout. Pulling across over here for the mouth. On over here for kind of where that ends right there, the mouth ends. Line up over here for the front of the face. Back. Line over here for kind of the brow area. So now we're going to go over here. We're going to draw an angry brow up. Kind of find the eye. So far, it's just Godzilla stuff right now. Okay, so far. Nostril right here. Nostril right here. And a line down over here for kind of that skin, which I don't know what it's called still, on the inside of the mouth. By the way, don't forget to hit the like button if you like these like mixture videos, or wait till the end and you'll be like, oh yeah, I like that drawing. Or you wait till the end, you're like, oh, I don't like that drawing, you know? I don't know. But let's go over here, line out, down. And we have the open skin right there. So, straight line over here for the open mouth, back along this area. And now we're gonna find the teeth right here, okay? They're just very simplistic, you know, teeth. Godzilla he's not really known for his giant teeth. He does have big teeth because he's like a, you know, a lizard or whatever. But actually I don't know. Yeah, he's like a lizard, but you know, he's not like Venom, right? In proportion, his, you know, it's not like his teeth are gigantic. Back of the mouth over there. And line over here, underneath right there. All right. Cool, cool, cool. So, line underneath right here for the jaw. Pulling back. And find that back of the jaw right there. Right on. So far, it's very Godzilla-y. Let's get into the shadow parts, okay? So, right off the bat, let's see what we can do here. What can we do? Pull a line right here from the front. Like one of his spikes, like, you know, one of Godzilla's spikes is like it's going to be in the formation of Shadow's spike. So let's just go over here. Back. And something like that. There we go. Like, it's like he's growing like that spike. That's pretty funny. Draw his ear over here. It's Godzilla's ear. Over here now. So we're going to go down. Line over here. Curve in. Line over here. Up. Down. In. And we want to make that look like the Godzilla spikes that are in his back. So I want them to kind of look like they're coming out, right? Of the skin or back of the neck there. I want it to look like that, as opposed to looking like Shadow stuff, which is made of like fur, right? Line over here. And maybe we're gonna see a spike over there on the far side, so let's just say over here. Down like so. Line over here along the bottom of the neck, drawing a little bit of darkness. Don't forget, by the way, if you really like to draw Godzilla, I'm going to put a link to a Godzilla drawing lesson. Sorry, not lesson. A drawing sheets, worksheets on drawing Godzilla's head from any angle. So if you've ever had issues drawing Godzilla, get those worksheets. They're free, totally free. I'll put them in the description. If they're not in the description, ask me for them, and I'll just post you a link, okay? They're free for pretty much anybody for the moment. All right, go over here. And then maybe we can just go into the regular Godzilla back over here. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Knuckles. What was I going to say? Shadow has that like chest hair thing. So I'm gonna try to do the same thing over here. Make him look more like they're growing out of his chest there. So, right on, down over here. Let's go over here for his arm. Just very simple arm, you know. Curve over here, curve over here. And then we're gonna draw the kind of remainder spikes in the back over here. A little bit more mountainous looking, right? To kind of like change the way they look. Line over here. And then we're gonna vignette it down there. But let's go over here though, the back of the neck. Line over here. All right. Okay, so we got this to work with, right? So let's like work into it. So curve a little line right there, right? Maybe a little dark shadow over here. Curve over here. We're gonna give this a little scaly look. So I'm gonna draw right there, those thin little scaly lines across the snake belly. And I could draw like some hashtags over here on the arm. That's a simplification. You can draw little curved U shapes. And I guess we could draw the tongue right there and kind of fill it out. Like the thing is, he's covered in scales, right? So he's going to be pretty, how do you say? It's going to be like drawing these little like dots and shapes, but not overdoing them. Otherwise, it's going to overwhelm the drawing, right? You want to make them look like what they are, detail. If you want to give a little bit of texture to the spikes themselves, that's possible too. There you go. And right on. There you go, there you go. Keep going. The rest of him is really just detail. Honestly, I like this guy so much, I might make a different drawing of this character. It looks crazy. But yeah, that is Godzilla and Shadow mixed together. By the way, what I want you to do is I want you to share this video if you did like this, if you like this design. What I really want also, honestly, if possible more, can you name this character? What would a mixture of Shadow the Hedgehog and Godzilla be called? That's probably the biggest thing. And by the way, whoever has the best one, I'm going to pin your comment. So let me know. I'm really wondering who can do that. Yeah, I don't know. Am I going to enjoy it? I hope so. But there you go. I want to thank you very much for sticking around. So, oh man, stay around and we'll do the next drawing lesson, okay? So stay right there. Let's do the next one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.